Hi, my name's Tony. I'm with Panda Exteriors. I'm here to do an attempted repair on a shingle. It is 10:57 in the morning, approximately 52 degrees. The date today is the 26th. I think it's the 26th.
Yeah, February 26th.
February 26th. And what we're going to be trying to do is to repair this shingle. There's over, 30, 40 shingles damaged on this roof that are creased just like this one here. So we're going to have to take this shingle out. And what I got to do is take these shingles up right here. As you can see, they're still stuck down here. And I got to find this one's undone. So it's going to be this shingle right here, which means I got to take this, and this up. And
You want me to go overhead before shot?
Yeah, go ahead and do that. Overhead. Yeah, you can see look at the creases down here. There's creases all throughout the roof.
So creases here, creases all throughout, pretty much every slope, and then
Missing shingles.
wind damage shingle here. To remove that, he's got to unseal those two rows, which are marked with X's.
Take out these right here, which this look is pretty. Look at the granule loss. All of these. And you just pop those free right there. That's free. This one up here. And see, I'm being as gentle as I possibly can. You see the granule loss just coming off of those right there. And what I'm going to do is just right here. This nail right here. Gentle as I possibly can. Alright, so that's free. Slide that out. Go for the damaged shingle. And we are going to go back in with the shingle. It's not a color match, it's just for the sample.
Nail pulled through.
put the nails in the tar line. So the seal.
A lot of granules coming loose.
The granules coming loose. See? It's got to be at a certain angle or I'll hit the shingle.
Still 45 degrees, which is allowed per Hague.
You can already see this one's creased here. I haven't even done this yet. Yep, and you want to get an overview real quick? Yeah. You can already see, look, the creases right through here without me touching it. I haven't touched it.
Especially that
it,
one.
This one here. And then give it a little bit of a...
Or a little tap. See, when you tap it, if you tap a shingle that hasn't been repaired, that doesn't happen. Well, these granules are loose from this, but...
Yep, look at that. That's creased.
Yep.
That's creased. This one, I don't think is creased though. This one, oh, right there, a little bit. This one's creased all the way through. Creased all the way through.
So as you can see, they're pretty much all 6 tabs. 6 out of 7 tabs were damaged. And that repair was very careful, so here, stand back. You got a piece of chalk?
Yeah, I'm gonna mark them.
I just want to get a good... Alright, yeah, mark it. Oh yeah, this angle shows it. You can see.
Yeah, it's different angles. You see it differently. Oh, look at that.
Clear as day on that tab and the one right above it.
Yeah, and once it rains here and gets a little weather, you start to see them even more. You see that?
I mean, you can see, you can see it clearly from here.
And this one is just creased on the corner, I think. Can you get all the way through? Can you tell it over there?
Yeah, barely.
I'll mark it right there, because I didn't even have to pull that all the way up.
And there's some light granule loss on that one, the left, upper left. Yeah, right there. So as you can see, where I'm pointing, you can see those creases. So again, this is going to be a fail.
Also note that they don't look like the ones caused by the wind. As you can see, these are creased because of the angle that I had to pull them up, or most of them. They're not creased like the wind. So this is basically mechanical damage because of the way that I have to do the repair.
Thank you for watching.